Welcome to GC Cars. My name is Eric and today we're going to take a test drive in this 2020 Buick Encore GX. This is the all-wheel drive variant in the Essence trim, and yeah, we're obviously going to do a little night POV drive here, and we're going to test the LED headlights and our high beam assist that we have, our auto high beam assist. And yeah, you can't see much as per usual. So here's the key. I'm just going to unlock. You probably can't see that. I'm going to just hold it into the light. I hope it's not too bright. Let's just unlock it. And yeah, this is a POV drive. If you want to hear all my thoughts and want to know if I like this Buick or not, feel free to look at the whole review, which you can find in the top right hand corner. Other than that, let's go drive the Buick. It's in front wheel drive only right now. I have all wheel drive disabled because quite frankly we don't need it. Okay. Okay, and the high beam assist is easy to turn on the wiper stalk, well not the wiper stalk, on the stalk on your left hand side. You can just press the button on the top side and there we go, auto high beams are enabled. I'm just going to flip between them here so you can see on and off. Obviously a pretty clear difference, so let's see how it works. I was kind of hoping for a car to come our direction, which normally happens all the time. For some reason it's not happening right now, but don't worry, we should have incoming traffic and not too much of a time. We just kind of hit it, like, apparently. Whenever I want to have traffic on this road, there is none, and whenever I don't want to have traffic, there's plenty. Whatever, we'll see soon enough if how good the high beam assist is. We've driven the Trailblazer, which is kind of the same vehicle, and that worked pretty well. So yeah. I kid you not, there would normally be so many vehicles right here. I don't know what's happening. It's ridiculous. But we'll just enjoy the night drive. Jet was a car, so I mean, there we saw how it would react. I guess at least something. There we go. That was nice and quick. It's not turning back on though. Hello? Okay, I don't know what that was. Kinda did not want to turn back on there. I had to click it like twice until it turned back on for like a second or so. That was weird. Also, don't blend everyone into the side, please. that's my backpack in the back rattling, my equipment backpack, so don't worry about that. It's not the Buick. Okay, we're back. Yeah, honestly, except for that one little hiccup it had, which I'm just gonna say, I don't know, I'm gonna say it was probably user error, even though I don't know how it could be. But no, it was doing a pretty well job in terms of auto high beam, like very quick to turn it off, turn the high beams off, very quick to turn them back on too. So honestly, I wouldn't have been faster, which is really nice. So yeah, I think I did a good job. Like I said, if you want to know all my thoughts, the reviews in the top right hand corner on your left hand side of the screen. And yeah, I hope you had a great day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.